Good morning, everyone. Welcome back to One Step Adventure. I'm Steve. I'm at Disneyland today, so we're gonna walk around the park, do some pen trading, and look behind me on the construction over there, and maybe get some merch. So let's have a beautiful day at Disney with me. If you like video like this, make sure you follow me over here. Turn on notification bell so time and day I release my video. Let's go. So the park just open now. Not too crazy. What are we gonna do? Let's look at the Emporium first. What's going on here? All right, so these, I think is the most functional backpack. You can put your ear here. I actually got two before, but I gave to my mom and my sister. They love it. So if you come to Disneyland and you don't plan to come back a lot, this is the best. Let's see what I have here today. Nothing is that good. All right, let's move on. So this is all the Halloween pins here. You can take a closer look. Lots of pins. This is the cast support. That's cute. Winnie the Pooh. NBC. Sleeping Beauty. Hey. And Pua. Wow, there's so many pins here. So this is all the boxes here. Okay. In just the last couple years, this thing sold out the first day. They still have it, $79.99. I guess it's good for the people that doesn't come here a lot. You still have a chance to get what you want for the Halloween. I think all the Halloween merch is available still. Look at this Stitch. And a tiny Mickey Mouse and Minnie light up. Cute. Can I try 4 and 16? Oh, okay, thank you. I wasn't sure, so 4. Pass. Put this back. I'll try this one then. Pass. All right, thank you very much.
You're welcome. You have a good day.
You too.
I bought one of those about the blue one.
Oh yeah, they're so comfy though, so good. Thank you. Let's go check the 20th Century Music Company. Look at that Elvis pumpkin. Very cute. Quiet. Good morning. See? All right, thank you. So the next video, I will be here with Uncle Don, which is later tonight. We have a date night here. But in the morning, I decided to come here. Since I don't have a Magic Key anymore, I had to buy my ticket. I had to get my money worth it, so I'll be here twice today. Let's go check Plaza Point and see what they have for pins. Hello, let's look at this one. Good, how are you? Take a look at that. Thank you.
Yeah, so he said, hi.
Do you guys have a pin board here?
No, our pin board is taken away.
All right, thank you. No worry. 1 and 24? It's close by. All right, I'll pass. Thank you so much.
You're welcome.
See what they have here in the pin store.
It's cut up meat and a sauce, and they bring me tortilla with rice and beans.
Nothing good. That's kind of cute. $29.99. I like the box if it's soft touch. And these are the new pins here for this week. Pocahontas. We have this Mary Poppins, pin on pins. The character scoop is cute. Silver, $12.99. Yellow, $14.99. Pink, $16.99. So there's different pins they have. So far, no good pin trading yet. Gonna show you what I have here. Okay, let's move on. Okay, so my goal today is try out this little pen board we have here. See what we can find. So far, I checked few. I didn't see anything. Not so good. So about 8:15, 5 minutes wait. I love the music. So I wonder what's new in here. Let's check it out. Oh, this backpack is cute. $39.99. I like this. It's cute. Oh my god, Oogie Boogie, Uncle Don's favorite. Oh, this is very cute. Baby tumbler, $24.99. It's cute. And then there we are at the pirate store. Hello. Aww. Nothing good. Thank you. They're all fake. Wow. Disney has no good pins here. What's going on? That's all fake. So obviously the pins are fake. I wonder, do they purposely put the fake pins out there? Right? I mean, it's like, how long they been doing pen trading at the park? And how can they not know they are the bad fake, not even a good fake? Interesting. So I got on the virtual queue at 8 o'clock. Our number is 104. Wow, long way to go. Long way to go. Whoa, look at the up and coming Haunted Mansion shop. I can't wait for this one. This is gonna be amazing. So you can see it. And then apparently they will look something like this. So that's the exit right there. Very cool. Can't wait. It's looking good. Our Tiana ride's looking pretty good. Five minutes? We gotta do it. 5 minutes. I'm gonna cheat on Uncle Don. Do you have a pin board here? Oh, cool. Oh, cool. Thank you. Oh, actually, I'll trade this one here. Hold on. Can I just do it? Oh, you? Okay. Ah, sorry. It's hard to push in. All right. Thank you. Okay, this one's decent. I got one. Finally. Yay. First one. Let's go to Winnie the Pooh. Are you with them? Are you with them? No. Oh, okay. I just want to make sure I don't cut.
One blustery day in the 100-acre wood, a little bear named Winnie the Pooh set off in search of honey.
Look, Mama, look! I'm a kite! Hang on tightly, Boo!
Happy Wednesday!
We'll take your piglets. First the wind, and now this.
Whee! This is fun!
Goodness gracious!
Hello. Followed amongst the Dear honey, beware, beware. Have a lovely woozles, have a lovely woozles. Dear honey, when you come in, you'll find that they love it because they guzzle up the thing you prize. What a wonderful dream!
Wake up, Boo! Wake up! Wake up, Boo!
Oh boy, it's your birthday!
It's time for your party, Boo!
Happy birthday!
Happy birthday!
Hip, hip, hooray!
I'm sure you'll find my present to be quite delicious.
Goodness gracious!
You'll never guess what it is.
I will love to have it exactly like this in my future home backyard. What do you guys think? Wouldn't that be beautiful? Right? And we can have some rabbit around there, duck. Oh my God, I want this. So look at that. Wait, the pool corner is not open yet. What time is it? It's almost 9 o'clock. They'll probably open at 9. Let's just stay. Let's just stay. We want to road drop the store. You know, I never noticed the fountain water. It's a honey pot. Look at that. That is very, very cute. Okay, let's check. Do they have any stuff here? Since it's quiet. It's quiet. Typically, this store has a really no good pins. Let's check. Hello. Good morning. I think somebody left this. What is this? Interesting. All right, nothing good. Let's check the Pioneer store, see what I have. Yeah, that's not real. This one's good. Queen of Hearts. Let's trade that. So this is the infamous pen trading table here. Maybe we should just park here for now. See what I have. There's a space here. I just don't want to be here by myself. That's weird. Okay, let's try that. So this is really cool. So what do you say? This it's a game thing, right? You can.
It's a pin game.
Wow, I never see. Hold on. Oh wow, and then they stand. Wow, that's so cool. So we'll let go this too for that. Awesome. Thank you very much.
Of course.
Wow, there's some really cool pins in here. What is that? I think that's a part of a piece of history, something like that. Oh, this is the Moana collections. I like that. Oh, that is so cute. She has a beautiful book.
Ursula and Hades.
I like that.
Yes. Shan Yu from Mulan. Who else? Yeah. And they've got
This is
Ursula.
very unique.
Yeah, it's a really cute little set.
I think I'm gonna see, can I get those two? Oh, Maleficent. I used to have this one. I remember that I traded. Okay, so I'm gonna ask her what she do it for those two. Never seen that before, so we're letting go this for those two right here. So may I take it out?
Oh, for the both of them?
Oh, yes.
Oh, I thought you were pointing to this.
Oh, okay. And I have a lot. So we're getting this too. This is so beautiful.
Oh, sorry. That was
We're friends here. Eric, hi. How are you? Thank you for your support watching our video. Really appreciate you. He has a beautiful book. Let's check out his book. Let's go. You can't look at that. It's okay. So this is his book. Wow. Look at all this. I love looking at other people's book. All right, so today is not a successful day. I only traded 2 pens here, those 2, but I was able to trade a lot of pens at the Frontierland, and yeah, it's interesting day today. I'll definitely trade a bunch of beautiful pens at Frontierland. So thank you so much. And today just a very casual video. I hope you like this. Just kind of walk around the park, do a little ride, do some pen trading, see some merch kind of day. If you like a video like this, make sure you follow me over here, turn on the notification bell so the time and day I release my video. I'll see you next time. Bye.
Introducing Yibu Beauty's Enchanted Bloom Facial Treatment Oil, a luxurious custom blend crafted to elevate your skincare routine. This exquisite face oil features a harmonious fusion of natural ingredients designed to brighten, soothe, nourish, and hydrate your skin. Experience the transformative power of nature as you indulge in this enchanting formula, revealing a radiant and revitalized complexion. Embrace the essence of beauty with Yibu's Enchanted Bloom, where nature meets elegance.